news, guys. I have just received the phone call from the guys at the store. I am now driving down to the port, have a look at the batteries. So if I could fit it in the car, I will put it in the car, send it home today. Okay. Xe mèo con này con. Suy sụm lắm, coi coi. Well, bad news is there is I don't know what part is this. Part number is this. Backside of it is broken. So hopefully I could get a claim from the maker. So we are finally back home after making the journey to pick up all the batteries. Batteries are still in the car. 3 of them up there, another 2 more down here, plus the charger and peripherals. So now I have to bring the car in a little bit, do the unloading. Batteries are back in. It's actually in my living room now. So all 5 of them, one of them is underneath the charger. So it will be put here for temporary storage. And I tell you what, guys, after doing all this shifting around batteries, sure got to be a good workout, right? So I've got Master Wong to come down and have a check on the wiring. So we are back at home, continuing the work. Last week we stopped. We were not stopped. We were actually forced to stop because of the bunch of wires here. There was something very wrong going on. So after a little dissect, I've actually found even asking the pros, I actually made an obvious mistake which all of us have maybe overlooked. So I did a mistake. The connection was not as good. That connection caused all the problem. So now what I'm going to do is solder it. I'll make it, and I've already tested it with the jumper, so the system actually works. So solder it up and get on with the conversion. So I've remade the connection. This time I'm not going to use any what do you call those, the low grade connectors. This time I am just simply soldering it up, put a layer of old insulation rubber inside and tape up the whole thing. So that's how it ended up this size. So we fix it, give it a shot. I think it should be fine. So guys, this is what been going on. I think I've got the wiring all right, so it's all wired up. I will give it a shot. This time is key controlled. So here goes the key test. What will happen is I will turn off the key. Once I turn on the key, what will happen is this contactor will connect, and also if the vacuum system for the pump booster is low, once I turn on the key, the vacuum pump should run, and the high power system will still not be on until I come out and apply the port box to activate the port box. So here goes. So there it is. I've switched on the keys. So just now, for maybe about 2 or 3 seconds, you heard the vacuum pump running. There you go again. So that's the vacuum pump. So that's the contact one. This is still open, and nothing goes up in smoke. So I think we are good here. With the 12-volt system ready, so the next step would be to find a way to chuck this whole big bunch of batteries into the car. My first attempt will be to mock it up, at least one of them, and try to look out at the spacing. So I've used the picking, I don't know, it could be polyester or whatever, but that stuff is quite tough. It came with the packing in the wooden crate that was to dampen up the battery during transportation. So I've cut out one, I've cut out another one here. Just flip up the profile, and hopefully once it dries up, this one is almost right. This one is almost right. Weighs almost next to nothing, so that way I could move it around in the car. And that's about the same dimension the metal casing is. So I have 2 of them, and I have another one. If it works out, it will be great. I will have 3. So till next week then, to fix up or think about the battery life. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.